leader. I want to invite you into something special for the holidays. If you're like me, this season comes with a mix of cozy moments and, a few pockets of time where a good podcast is the perfect companion. So think about times when you're baking cookies, maybe walking in the woods, taking a short drive, or tidying up the house either before or after guests arrive. And then, of course, wrapping presents, or just simply taking a break from the noise with a solo moment just for you. So while you're moving through all of that, I've put together a curated list of 6 of our most downloaded, most replayed, and most talked about episodes from this past year. The ones that made the biggest impact for women who are intentionally leveling up their leadership. These episodes are perfect for a holiday binge. They're filled with insight, tough love, simple strategies, and those little shifts that help you lead smarter, not harder, in the year ahead. So you can find the full list in the show notes. Save it, share it, and pop them on during whatever festive thing you're doing today. And as a special treat, you can get the fantastic Podcast Companion Workbook that features many of these episodes, along with some thought-provoking nudges to encourage you to consider how you can easily apply what you've learned directly into your business and your leadership style. Get your Podcast Companion Workbook from our website or the links in the show notes. Alrighty, let's jump in. Welcome to the Stacking Your Team podcast, smart leadership for women who mean business. I'm Shelli Warren, your team and leadership coach, and your no-fluff guide to building a powerhouse team that actually gets the job done without you holding their hand every 5 minutes. You're not just a business owner, you're the leader now, and I'll help you step up, lead smart, and stop micromanaging. Stick with me and you'll learn how to hire, fire, and inspire a team you lead with confidence and finally get your night and weekends back. And here's the hard truth. The team that got you here may not be the team that gets you there. So let's trade burnout for bold leadership and stack your team. Okay, top up your hot beverage. Here we go. Starting with episode 353. 3 signs you're overpaying your contractors. This particular episode leads into the issues that can arise when you're paying contractors really well, but you often feel disappointed, or at a minimum, you feel that there's just something missing from your working relationship. I share some client stories that will prompt you to consider reevaluating your contractor relationships when people are not meeting your expectations. There's no doubt about it. In a world of small business, contractors are becoming key contributors to success, and often they are living in different time zones, and you're typically not their only client. It's time to stop feeling frustrated and start developing mutually respectful relationships with your contractors. Okay, next step, you're invited to roll back to episode 350. This one was creative ways to motivate your team. Now, it points out 5 powerful gifts that you can give your team, and none of these require gift wrapping of any kind. Instead, these gifts will impact your team's morale, their level of commitment to your brand, and how deeply they feel they belong working alongside you. Let's debunk the myth that the only motivator at work is money, especially for your highest performing team members. And by the way, this particular episode nudges you to grab one of our super popular freebies from the website. You'll want it too. Okay, are you still bundled up and feeling cozy? Here are a few more invites to stroll back into some of our most popular episodes. How about episode 320? The difference between managing and leading. You'll learn the critical distinctions between the two, whether you need one more than the other, as you navigate what it takes to move your business closer towards your definition of success. After that episode, you might want to dial into 324, how to onboard a new team member. In this one, we'll explore how to deliver world-class onboarding that sets clear expectations while fostering a sense of belonging for your new hire right from day one. We'll discuss integrating new hires with your team and clients, balancing training without overwhelming people, and the critical essence of leadership at this phase. You'll also learn some practical steps like crafting thoughtful welcome emails, creating a structured work plan for their first 90 days, and involving current team members to build a supportive learning environment. Okay, maybe you're revisiting this episode on another day over the holidays, so welcome back if you are. And if you are a diehard binge listener, you are amazing. Next up, episode 301. Real stories of abrupt change leading to success. Now, in this one, I'm sharing real-life examples of how embracing these skills has allowed people, some of whom are my clients, to take control of their success in brand building, team development, and client care. You'll hear about embracing trends and technology, teaching your team to rely more on each other instead of you. That's always a doozy. And speaking of improving things in your business so your team is more self-sufficient, I want to encourage you to revisit episode 322, How to Host Team Meetings. Now, it's a fact, meetings are often despised by lots of people. And I would bet that it's because the meetings they attend are terrible and could have been an email. So get ready to transform your team meetings into powerful sessions where everyone contributes, collaborates, and leaves feeling valued, including those all-important one-to-ones with your new hires. As you head into the rest of your day and the rest of this holiday season, I hope you find a few quiet pockets to recharge, reflect, and treat yourself to some inspiration. These are the episodes that spark the biggest shifts, the biggest aha moments, and the biggest wins for women who are ready to lead differently. You'll find the full holiday binge list in the show notes. Share it with a friend who could use a boost, save it for later, or start listening right away. Thank you for being there, for listening, learning, and leading with me this year. I'm cheering you on and wishing you a wonderful restorative holiday season. I'll see you next week.